We've had a lot of new followers between all of our platforms recently, and we haven't done an update lately where we talk about what all we're doing and what the channel's about and talk about our business. So it's day 147 of building $1 million business in 1 year, and we are Stay Broke Business Consulting. We're a business consulting firm that focuses on optimized operations, strategic planning, and helping small businesses achieve their goals. We want to work a lot with small businesses that have been operating a while and just can't seem to get over that hump, or they're starting to plan their exit and they need help with policy, procedure, essentially removing themselves from the business to plan ahead. This is the idea that started it all. So 147 days ago, we went on a journey creating this firm. We had been, planning for it and laying some groundwork ahead of time, part of which was making sure our utility company could sustain without me being involved in the day-to-day, which was a multi-year process, getting that all figured out. And I can never do anything just a little bit. So along the way, I committed to doing a video every single day for a whole year to try and show the ups and downs of starting a new business and, giving some business tips along the way from my experience. And along with that, we also started the Stay Broke podcast, where we shine a light on small business owners and entrepreneurs and tell their journey and share that with the world. It's something that I've wanted to do for a long time. So we're doing all this at the same time. And it started with just me and Jen, and then we brought in some new team members. We brought in Travis, and then Logan, and then Bridget, and we're starting to build our team and move toward the future. But it's hard if you're just jumping in and seeing a random video of me and my kids walking around downtown Wake Forest, and then maybe the next day we're sitting in an office shooting a podcast. It's hard to understand what we're actually doing. So I figured it was important to try and give a quick little breakdown of what all we're trying to do here. And because I have to shoot a video every day, that means shooting videos on the weekends, sometimes in the evenings. And parts of my life are the fact that I have 5 kids at home, and that consumes a lot of my time. So you'll see them making their way into the videos. As we keep moving forward, our goal is to show more and more of the work that we're doing day to day as we start to work with clients and do more consulting stuff as trying to build our following for our podcast. So hopefully this helps. If you're still lost, go back, start at day 1 and catch up on some videos. There's some really good ones. There's some that are probably pretty dumb, but hopefully you'll notice that they've gotten better as we've went along. The shorts have gotten better and more consistent, and the podcast has gotten better. Look at episode 1 and look at episode 13. It's like a night and day difference from the lighting, the sound, the camera angles, just everything. My ability to interview, like everything's continuing to evolve, and we're doing it very quickly because I gave us a very ridiculous timeline of building $1 million business in 1 year, because I've done it before, and if I've done it before, then I should be able to do it again. But we'll see where we go from here. So let me know what you think. Drop a comment down below if you have any questions. Like, follow, and subscribe to make sure you keep up with this adventure. And as always, stay broke.